This is EDL 852, Module 10, Helping Students Realize Their Learning Norms. The first student expectation from the Leaving to Learn video is relationships. I think we do a great job at Smoky Valley of getting to know our students and their interests and their talents. We also help them to form relationships with each other and with adults by modeling those relationships in class, out of class, in athletics, other extracurricular activities. Relevance. We are fortunate in Lindsborg that we have numerous community members who are willing to come to the school, enlighten our students with their expertise, and connect what they have learned to real-world experiences. Time. The expected pace of learning depends on the class, I feel. In accounting, which I teach, it's more important that students learn at the same pace, whereas with robotics, another course I teach, there's more flexibility. Either way, I try to provide enough outside resources to deepen and broaden their understanding. Timing, again, I think it depends upon the class. In certain disciplines, the learning needs to be more sequenced so students can build upon what they have learned. In others, there's some leeway. Many of our teachers use Canvas and other learning platforms, which allow students to work at their own pace and skip around to assignments that they're ready for. Play. Students should definitely be allowed to take chances and explore how the new information fits with what they already know. Thinking outside the box should be rewarded in most cases. Practice. In my accounting classes, I usually reserve an assignment for additional practice if I feel my students are not fully understanding the material in each chapter. I know many of my colleagues provide additional learning opportunities for their students as well. Choice. As mentioned previously, the use of Canvas, Odysseyware, and others gives students more freedom to choose the order of their assignments, as well as opportunities to repeat coursework they feel they need more attempts to master. We also have several teachers who differentiate their instruction so students have more options. Authenticity. Our students attend art competitions, journalism competitions, robotics competitions, business professionals of America competitions, a lot of outside competitions to demonstrate what they have learned or the work they can do. Students also take what they have learned in school into the community for work study, internships, after-school jobs. So a lot of opportunities for them to see the authenticity of their schoolwork. Challenge. I think Smoky Valley students are routinely challenged and they excel after high school, whether it's post-secondary education or in the workforce. Students who have applied themselves find that they are prepared for whatever path they choose. And the last student expectation is application. I relate this expectation to authenticity. Our students have multiple occasions to demonstrate their learning or showcase their work. Finally, I have my standard correlation, relevance, and reflection, as well as the reference that I referenced. So, thank you for watching.